Less than an hour south of Huntsville is Cullman, Alabama, which transforms into the most charming Christmas market every December. And according to a real German, this is one of the most authentic European-style Christmas markets you'll find in the US. We came last year. My favorite thing here is their Glühwein. We got a little scared though because they weren't selling it at the drink booth. A little worried, no Glühwein.
Yeah, it's just down the road.
We came on a Saturday and it is packed. And here we found it. This year you have to buy a mug, which I'm not really a fan of because I don't need another mug. And it's ceramic and it's a little inconvenient to carry around all night. But the Glühwein is still very much worth it.
Prost.
Sehr lecker, ja.
Yeah.
Ja.
Here's a look at this little ice skating rink they've got set up. It's really nice. They have the Zamboni going on it now, but later on it's fun to watch all these Alabamians try and ice skate once they're all back out there. Some people have a good hang of it, but it must be the first time for many. As you would guess, there's not much of an opportunity to practice in the South. Okay, now let's check out what they have for food this year. Just add das and then it's German.
Yep.
They have Flammkuchen, which is like a flatbread pizza, and of course, Schnitzel. Typisch.
Typisch Schnitzel, typisch deutsch, typisch Amerikaner-Deutsch. Alle lieben Schnitzel.
Then there's this crepe booth and a raclette booth, which is where they have different types of food that you can get this melted cheese on. Kevin got his Käsespätzle here. The best way I can describe this for us Americans is that it's the German equivalent of mac and cheese. We came in this little food hall to enjoy the warmth and the live music. Und was hast du?
Käsespätzle.
Käsespätzle.
Gut.
Wie in Deutschland?
Ja, passt.
Ja. Okay, let's see what other food we have here.
Was ist? Oh, das ist Brot.
Süßes Brot mit Cinnamon, mit Zimt.
Do you want to add some sugar? And you want to feel the heat?
For this bread, the dough is wrapped around a wooden stick and it's baked over the flames.
I don't drink water, I think.
You can have it sweet or savory. We are just getting the traditional sweet with no crazy toppings.
Nara, we call Nara in the Philippines.
What do we have?
Baumstriezel.
And?
Sehr gut.
Sehr gut. And lastly, let's get some currywurst. The past few times we've gotten it, they've given very little sauce. So Kevin is asking for a little extra this time.
That looks very good. It's very good. It's actually like in Germany. That's good, huh? Ja.
Lecker.
Lecker.
And here's a little entertainment they have walking around. Now let's see what else is here.
The glasses left on it. My grandma has a black Cuban girl. Grapes on it.
Grapes?
Yeah, they're like little grapes on it.
Okay, so we weren't entirely done with the food yet. One more stop for some roasted almonds.
One box, one small cone of the...
These were really good. And with that, it's time to go home after visiting this charming Christmas market.